Hallo julle, Roy wat? Dis julle favorite, Frisky Mariski. En is weer bietjie tyd vir nuus in 'n nutshell. Het julle gedink julle is ontslaaf van my? Julle, daar is kak en kanon. Okay, mense sou gedink het dit was die festive season en almal is op holiday. Maar nee. Ek weet nie of julle gesien het hoe hierdie bikers mekaar gebliksem het in Jeffreys Bay nie. Check it out.
Finish him! And the girl in the corner let no one ignore her. She thinks she's the passionate one. Oh yeah, it was like lightning. Everybody was frightening, and the music was soothing, and they all started grooving. And the man at the back said, "Everyone attack!" and it turned into a ballroom blitz. And the girl in the corner said, "Fire on the money!" and it'll turn into a ballroom blitz. Ballroom blitz. Touching nothing's all I ever do. Oh, I softly call you over when you feel there's nothing left for you. And the man in the back is ready to crack as he raises his hands to the sky. And the girl in the corner is everyone's one. She could kill you with a wink of her eye. Oh, yeah, it was electric. So frantically hectic. And the band started leaving, 'cause they all stopped breathing. And the man at the back said, "Everyone attack!" and it turned into a ballroom blitz. And the girl in the corner said, "Fire on the money!" and it turned into a ballroom blitz. Ballroom blitz.
Ek wil nou nie nuus poep of hoes nie. As julle vir my vra, dink ek daai cherry wat daai bottel so gooi, het die fight gewen. Of wat sê julle? Ek het 'n voeltjie oor vlei, dit is nie die eerste keer wat hierdie manne appelswaai en mekaar ter lywe gaan nie. In fact, 'n voeltjie het vir my gesê, dit was omtrent die 3de fucking fight vir die maand. But wait, there's more. As julle gedink het die moose fight in Jeffreys Bay was die toppunt of die boiling point tussen die bikers, het julle niks gesien nie. Want hulle het gisterond mekaar weer stikkend gebliksem, somme hier in Pretoria Noord, papa. En ek hoor in Brakpan ook. Dis nuus in 'n nutshell, met julle favorite, Frisky Mariski. Like, share en comment. Wat 'n fok dink julle gaan hier aan? Bye!